In today's rapidly changing marketplace, businesses must explore new avenues for growth through innovative business models. This evolution not only addresses evolving consumer needs but also empowers companies to reshape their market presence dramatically. The foundation of business model innovation lies in understanding the intricacies of value creation, customer relationships, and revenue streams, which can lead to unlocked potential and sustainable competitive advantages. To embark on this journey, businesses must start with a thorough assessment of their current models. This entails evaluating existing offerings and identifying gaps that require attention. By closely analyzing customer pain points and desires, organizations can reimagine their value propositions, ensuring they resonate strongly with target markets. This convergence of understanding allows firms to pivot, leading to tailored solutions that not only satisfy but exceed customer expectations. Additionally, leveraging technology is a critical factor in business model innovation. Embracing digital transformation enables companies to streamline processes, enhance customer experiences, and tap into new revenue streams. Digital tools can facilitate real time communication, improving interactions and engagement with consumers. By adopting a tech centric approach, organizations can position themselves not just as service providers but as invaluable partners in their customers' journeys. Collaboration is another vital element in driving innovation. Businesses should seek partnerships that allow them to expand their capabilities and market reach. Collaborating with startups, tech firms, or even competitors can lead to a blend of expertise that fosters fresh ideas and solutions. These alliances create a fertile ground for experimentation, encouraging risk taking and the exploration of unconventional strategies that might not have been pursued otherwise. Furthermore, constantly monitoring industry trends and competitive landscapes is crucial. By staying attuned to shifts in consumer behavior and emerging technologies, companies can capitalize on new opportunities before they become mainstream. This proactive stance positions organizations to pivot their business models quickly in response to market dynamics, ensuring continued relevance and growth. In conclusion, business model innovation serves as a vital catalyst for growth in an ever changing environment. By understanding customer needs, embracing technology, fostering collaboration, and remaining agile, organizations can uncover new opportunities and redefine their futures. Navigating this landscape may be challenging, but the rewards for those who innovate are boundless, setting the stage for long term success.